In this video, we'll show you what to do if QuickShare is not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone when you try to use it with other Android devices. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now tap on connected device. Now here tap on QuickShare. Now in here you will need to first check a couple of things. You need to ensure that share with Galaxy devices and share with non-Galaxy devices both have an account associated. So you need to ensure that you have a Samsung account. If you don't have a Google account, for instance, you will need to tap on it and then set up your Google account here. Next, you need to tap on this who can share with you and then select everyone. You can uncheck this checkbox that says only for 10 minutes and then tap on done. Next, you need to ensure that you have enabled this allow sharing over internet. So this will allow your Samsung Galaxy phone to use the internet when the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is not working. Next, you need to scroll all the way down and then tap on About QuickShare. Now here you need to check for any pending updates. If there are any updates available, you should see an option to install them. Now go back to the previous menu. Scroll all the way down and then tap on Apps. Now in here you will need to tap the search icon and then search for QuickShare. Now here you will see 3 entries for QuickShare. Simply tap on the first entry. Now scroll down, go to storage and then tap the clear cache. Now again tap on the second entry and repeat the same steps. So go to storage and then tap the clear cache. Similarly for the third as well. Simply clear cache for all 3 of these entries and then try using QuickShare again. However, if nothing else works, it's likely that you are using a VPN connection. So make sure VPN is disabled on both your Samsung phone and the other Android device that you are trying to use. Additionally, you will also need to tap on this DNS option and make sure it's set to automatic and then hit save. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart both the devices, that is your Samsung device and the other Android phone, and you should be able to use QuickShare. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Cure.